Hello, so here is this cool app which is called OMTV Live Video Broadcast. So you can just tap get to install this app, and as you can see, it's number 189 in social networking category. Yep. And yeah, this app size is just 18.4 megabytes. And the idea of this app is super cool, that you can broadcast live content from your mobile easy and quick, go live on Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, and other platforms. So let's just open the app and see how it works. You need to give access to your camera and microphone, and then you can just broadcast full HD. You need to enter your stream host, stream key, and then basically
Hi, did I get your attention?
Broadcast then on all that platforms. So yeah, you can try that. And then you have filters. Add your watermark, Facebook stream key, and here you have just some settings. Like for example, if you want to get on YouTube, right click your avatar in the top right corner of the YouTube setting and then select Creator Studio. You will find your stream key in the live streaming section under the encoder setup. So here, if I just select Facebook or like YouTube, is just automatically inserts my first part here, stream host, and then stream key, you just enter that, and then you can start a broadcast, and then you can just go live from this app. So that's it, and you can do it from Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, and yeah, just tap this button in the bottom, show zoom control. I don't know what that is, sorry, there are much of ads here, but that's how this app is monetized, so there you have it. But anyways, useful app. So there are a bunch of restreaming apps. There is like Restream app that is called Restream, but maybe it's not that powerful on mobile. Here you can just start to stream and start streaming to multiple multiple platforms. Hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching.